Good morning, students. I'm making a little tutorial video for the registration process of BA TESOL program. So while you're registering, then you will see a lot of errors come on the screen during the registration process. Some of them I have added here, and you will see how they look like. So the first one, so you will see errors. For example, you will see an error like this which says 3001, okay, something like this. So I'll explain each code and each error in a minute, okay. So this is how it's going to look like. The only thing which is going to change will be the code here. Now let's move on to these codes and see how I can explain. So the first one is error 3001. If you see this while you are doing the registration, that means late enrollment, which means that you did not enroll in time. For semester 1 2021, the enrollment is from the 20th July to the 5th of August. So if you are late than that, so you will see this message error. Let's move on to the next error, error 3002. As the student wants to enroll after the date of enrollment, so it's in relation to the code previously mentioned, 3001. Now here we have error 1008, which is specifically saying outstanding balance. So you have to clear that with the finance office, tesol.fin, okay. So go to the finance email address and tell them clear your finances with them. Next we have error 1009. Lock error. You might not see this with the BA TESOL program, but I'm generally talking about all the errors in the STC. Okay, next one is error 5024. You are not allowed to enroll for this course. Okay, this might happen with other programs at STC, might not happen with you, but if it does happen, this is what it means, okay? You are not allowed to enroll for this course. Next error we will say 4002. You have enrolled less than 9 credits. You might see this one if you enroll less than 9 credits. For semester 1 2021, we have the maximum of 21 credits and minimum of 9 credits. The next error is error 4001. You have enrolled more than 21 credits. So if you do that, this kind of error will appear on the screen. Next, error 5008. Students can't register for this course. You should ask the registration office to enroll you. So tesol.reg@siamtechno.ac.th. You should you should send them an email to tell them to register for a specific course which you aren't able to register on the system. Error 5009. Student cannot withdraw from this course. You should ask the registration office to withdraw it for you. So some of the courses, there's a list of courses and you want to withdraw, you want to cancel that out because you might have already done that course and you cannot withdraw it yourself, so you better talk to the registration office. The next one we have is error 5010. Students are not allowed to change the section or group. So sometimes we have groups for a particular course. For example, in summer courses we have understanding, learning and teaching twice, so we had 2 groups. So some students wish to go to group 1 or group 2, and you wish to do that online while doing the registration. So it will come up that you cannot register, you cannot change the classroom, though you can ask the registration and they will do it for you. The next one is error 5100. This means you have studied this course and cannot enroll for this course. So maybe this course is on your transcript already and you're trying to enroll again. So I would advise to make, before the registration, look at your transcript, that how many courses you have done, which courses you have done, and then enroll for the next batch of courses. Next error we have 5101. This means you have to choose certain subject before the others. I'll give you an example here. You cannot enroll for internship before for fields, so you have to do that. Some courses, for example, in BA TESOL we don't have that many, but in other courses at STC they have that certain student can study in semester 1, semester 2, and so on. Right, next one is error 5103. This can happen as well. The time and the date of the courses selected are the same. So for example, you have two courses, phonology and sociolinguistic. They will start in, for example, the first week of August, and then you can't do both together. So for that reason it will appear with this error. Oops. Okay, next error is 1007. It means you cannot enroll this course for semester 1 and 2 of this year, but can do it for year 2. We don't have this problem with our curriculum in our enrollment system at BA TESOL, but we do have this with the BBA program and other programs. Right, moving on to error 5105. The time and the schedule are the same for the some courses which you have selected, which I mentioned. So it's the two codes which appears to be the same. So guys, this is all the errors you might say. I'm going back to the front in just a second. Right. So two things to be noted. The first one, have a look at your transcript before you start enrolling. Make sure what courses you have done or what you have to do next. I also have a tutorial video for how to register. I already sent it out to you guys through the email, and I'll post it on the Facebook group as well. So make sure, look at your transcript, make sure that you have done you have understood all the videos and how the registration process works, and also make sure that you watch this video and understand the errors that you might encounter. If you have any problem, talk to the tesol.reg, which is REG. So tesol.reg at siamtechno.ac.thai. Okay, that's the website, that's the email address for the registration office. And if you see any of those errors, try to contact them. They will solve the problem. The registration, we have about 15 days, so if you can't register on the first day, make sure you will do it on the second day. If you can't do it on the second day, still have 15 days, so no need to panic. Don't worry about anything. It will happen, and I hope this was everything I had for you today. Good day. See you next time. Bye bye.